never wise to pack up your baby gear until the absolute end of summer, because there's little people like baby Eveline still out there, and baby Eveline is incredibly fortunate because her mum was hit by a car about 1 o'clock in the morning, and human Stacey saw the collision and saw mum sort of fly off, but then she heard a baby crying on the road, so she had to wait until the traffic had cleared, and then, what do you do with that dummy? Then she went and picked up little baby Eveline in a shirt, and she's in care. There's nothing we can do about mum. We've just going to have a yawn, have our fingers crossed that mum's okay. But what a fantastic thing for human Stacey to do, and otherwise little Eveline would have been squished on the road. So she's safely in care now. She's what we call a late baby. Do you want that dum-dum? Yeah, I was thinking about it. Not too sure. So she's doing really well now. She's taking good feeds and doing what most babies do as newborns. They just sleep and eat, and it's about what she's doing at the moment. She's having 6 bottles a day. So little tummy's still a bit fragile. And yawning a lot. We're keeping you up, aren't we? Oh, she just had a bottle. You're looking for your dummy. Look, it's here. You spat it out, you silly sausage. Look. There it is. Do you want it back? There it is. Yeah, so we've got a couple of months ahead of us on 5 bottles soon, then we're down to 4 bottles when she hits about 5 weeks. Do you want that dum-dum? But she's such a sweetie. And she was rescued by Louella. So, there we go. Might be time to go back to bed, I think. Enough excitement for one day. But she's a real sweetie. Little baby Eveline.